Hello, this is the demo of the in-progress beta of the game Forgotten Blade. Jumping in, this working beta handles two primary camera views for the character, collision detection, some interaction with objects, and AI pathing. So as you can see, the character starts off in third person and can be rotated with the camera, and the camera can be moved up and down. It can be scrolled out and back in, and with the home button first person and for third person. The character can also sprint and jump. Now in this working beta, there are two types of objects that can be interacted with. There are a few barrels hidden around this main city area, one right here. As you can see, when you get in range, it displays that the barrel is empty. Now if we make our way to the tower here, there are two AI guards just standing there. They do not path, they're there to guard the tower. However, if we look, there are wizards in here that are pathing around to the non-existent bookcases. There's also this floating scroll, which, if we come up, displays a different message, that it's a map of Calarusia. And then if we move away, we've placed the skull in our bag, and the skull has been removed from the environment. Overall, it's going pretty well. Need to add the bookcase objects, and one thing I am trying to work on is getting a tag system for the waypoints so that these two wizards can path in opposite directions, and I'm also adjusting their run speed so they're not moving quite so fast.